Students, in the last period we were learns about the part first of the kite festival. Today we are going to learn about the second part of the kite festival. First I will read this lesson, then I will give explanation point wise. Then a wonderful variety of the kite is seen. The fuzzy buyers can close to the wands. The more serious player prepares special line for the kite. There is the music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. Held on the same day, the higher event, however, is the International Kite Festival at the Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skill in flying exotic kite and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kite compete with those from Japan, USA, UK and other countries. Excited spectators watch owls to marvelous shapes such as the eagles and the snake soars in the skies. One of the highlight of this festival in the Patang or the Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for the whole week. A visit to the bazaar in the middle of the night is enough to prove that the entire city obeys with kite. People crowd the street and buy their stock, hanglings through the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite-making skill and how they prepare the special thread used for the kite flying. Mixture of the glue and ground glass cover the line, which are dried and rolled into the reels. Know the pioneers. These lines are so sharp that carelessly used they can cut finger. The excitement does not end with the nightfalls. Now it is time to eliminate box kite often stuck on one line to be the launched in the sky called tukals. They add a ground beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance of the star. Then here the given wonderful variety of the kite seen in the fuzzy buyers. Fuzzy means to very choosy. That means wonderful different variety of kites seen in the chosen buyers can be choose what he want. That means some choosers who is want to which type of the kite he choose the buyers. The more serious players prepare special line for their kite. That means the man who was serious in the kite flying, they players prepare special line for this kite. There is there is music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. Delicacies means to fine or special food items. That means some people who want to the special type of the kites, he choose the special type of the kite. The more serious player prepared the special line for the kite flying. There is the music in the air and with the help of the music of air and traditional delicacies, that means the fine or the special food items are specially prepared for the day. That means at that day some people prepared a specially type of foods item. Held on the same day, the higher event however is the International Kite Festival. That means at that at that day, at that same day, the biggest event organized on the international level. That means this international level kite festival at Ahmedabad. That means this international kite festival organized at Ahmedabad. One of then skies one one of the highlight of the festival is Patang or the held on the same day. The biggest event, however, is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. That means at the same day, the biggest event organized is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad. Which place? The Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. That means this festival organized with help of the Gujarat State Tourism Corporations, and it held either the Sardar Vallabhbhai Stadium or the Police Stadium. That means these kite festivals, which is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, which organized by Gujarat State Tourism Corporation, and it is held either the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skill in flying exotic kite, and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kite compete with those from Japan, USA, UK and other countries. Excited spectators watch awe means to wonder, amazement, awesome त्यामधला awe as a marvelous shapes such as the eagles and snakes soar into the skies. That means in popular festival attract international kite flyers. That means who is the international flyers, which is the attack toward this, and which demonstrate their skill in flying exotic kites. Exotic means belong to far away lands. That means they demonstrate their skill flying exotic kite, and local champions as well. That means the some people who was come there to come to their far away lands, and some local champions as well. Little Indian paper kite compared with those from Japan, USA, UK and other countries. That means the little Indians which has paper kite compared with those from the Japan, USA, UK and other countries. Excited spectators watch awe. That means awe means to amazement, the marvelous shapes such as the, that means some people which show this the awe means to some people which astonished by the marvelous shapes such as the eagle shaped kite and the snake soar into the sky. That means different the people shows this different type of kites and they was astonished. Then one of the highlight of this festival in the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of the Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. It visit to bazaar in middle of the night enough through the entire city obsessed with kite. People crowd the streets and buy their. One of the highlights of the festival at the Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of the Ahmedabad. That means the Kite Bazaar and the Patang or Kite Bazaar is the heart of the Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours in the day. That means these are open the 24 hours in the day. For a whole week, a visit to this bazaar in the middle of the night is enough proof that the entire city obsessed. Obsessed means to totally occupied with the one aspect. With kite, that means the this bazaar is opened 24 hours in the day, and the people visit this bazaar in the middle night is enough the proof that the entire city is occupied with the aspect with kites. People crowd the street and buy the stocks hanglings through the night. Hanglings means bargainings. That means people crowd the street and buys their stocks. Hanglings means to bargaining through the night of this kite. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age-old kite making skill and how to prepare the special thread used for the kite flying. Mixture of glue and ground glass covered lines which are dried and rolled onto reels know the fire needs. These lines are so charmed that carelessly used they can cut a finger. That means skilled craftsman demonstrate age old kite making skill. That means the people was older, they domestic, and that means they skill, that means the kite making skill is very good, or skilled craftsman demonstrate age old kite making skill. How they prepare the special thread used for the kite flying. That means the man who older domestic old man, which is well know which type of thread used for the kite flying. They make kite with this thread. Mixture of glue and ground glass cover the lines which are dried and rolled on to reel known as fire knees. A mixture of the glue or ground glass cover the lines and they dried and rolled on reels. This is known as the fire knees. These lines are so sharp that means these lines are so sharp, carelessly used they can cut the finger. That means the lines are so sharp and the carelessly used they can cut the finger. That means the thread is very sharply they cut the finger of any people. The excitement does not end with the nightfalls. That means this excitement of the people is does not end with the rainfalls. Now it is the time to elimination box kite. Elimination means lighted up. That means the time of the lighted up box kite obtained strung on one line, the launched into the sky. That means the kite which is launched on the sky at that time, this is the time of the very interesting, called the tucals. They add the ground beauty to the dark sky and compact with the brilliance of the star. That means the people add the ground beauty to dark sky compact with the brilliance of the star. That means they kite flying in the sky very happily. Here given the words. Fusy means very choosy. Then delicacies means fine or special food items. Then next here obsessed means to totally occupied with one aspect. Exotic means belongings to far away hands. Awe means wonder, amazement. Hangling means bargaining, and illuminated means lighten up. You understand? Here our chapter Kite Festival is finished. Thank you.